Nicholas.
What? You recording this?
Yeah.
Are you going to shoot down at something?
Yeah.
Shoot! Let me remind you guys, don't try this at home. You might get in trouble or you might break something, but I am a professional, okay?
It's a lie.
So
Lies.
don't do anything like this at home.
It's a lie. You can do whatever you want. Don't listen to him.
Wonderful is that.
I am.
Here are the first shots. Alright, I missed. This is all I missed, okay? That's one. Yeah, that's a miss. Don't worry, I got a lot of bullets, okay?
Oh.
One more. Last shot. Wait, no.